Hey, Ibrahim here, and today we have got the iPhone 13 Pro in the studio, and of course it's basically the same form factor as the previous generations, but with some minor changes as Apple is trying to go carbon neutral since a bit of time now, and this is their packaging with mostly 0% of plastic in the packaging. So this will go basically be helping their mission to go towards the environmental friendly carbon neutral environment, which will basically be interesting to see how it goes. The box from Apple, there is no plastic wrapping. This occurs due to the carbon neutral mission, just like I had said Apple is reaching towards. We have also got no charging brick in the box, just like previous year. The thing is that the color is just so popping, especially when Apple makes the phones. Their colors are just insane. They're just on another level. Last year on the iPhone 12 they had a Pacific blue, which I really loved and got to look at, but this year the Sierra blue is just lighter but putting the notch a little higher. We still have a cable and of course the documentations and the sticker. The sticker is the white color. That's not that much promising. It's white color. It's not the color of the iPhone, so the iPhone is blue but the sticker is white. This color, Sierra blue. Now last year we had the Pacific blue on the iPhone 12, but this year with the Sierra blue, this is controversial. Many people like it, and especially me. I love this color. I'm really happy that I went for this color. But there's a lot of tools on this, and Apple's new color. Personally, whenever Apple's new colors come out, I really think that they're just on another level. They just are crazy. I really like it, but especially this color, Sierra blue, shows off a lot. And I have also ordered a clear case for this, and I'm going to be unboxing that clear case with this phone as well. So link to those in the description down below, and stay tuned if they're not already published. Also stay tuned because we are going to be having a full review of this iPhone 13 Pro after near a week of use. So stay tuned for that. And of course this phone will be running the latest software as soon as you open it from the box, and iOS 15 is the latest software at the moment, which is basically amazing. That is it for this video. Full review coming in soon, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.